Taxi driver arrested following high-speed chase with police. Shooter identified in murder-suicide at Halfway Tree Police Station. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A taxi operator has been taken into custody after he reportedly led the police on a high-speed chase in the corporate area, during which two female passengers had to jump from the moving vehicle. The taxi reportedly passed the Halfway Tree to downtown Kingston route. The news media understands one passenger jumped from the moving vehicle near the Kingston Public Hospital. The other escaped from the vehicle near Tarrant Drive. The driver reportedly rode several sidewalks in a bid to escape the police team. Police accosted the taxi driver in the Malines Road area after a reported crash. One of the injured women was taken to a facility where she was being medically examined. The businessman who killed a cop before turning a policeman's fire service weapon on himself has been identified as Dion Singh, the owner of Singh's Motors Limited on Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew. Singh and his wife went before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Monday on fraud-related charges. Early reports indicate that Detective Sergeant Kevin Main was attempting to arrest Dion Singh at the Halfway Tree Police Station in St. Andrew when another officer came to assist. Singh reportedly disarmed the assistant officer and shot Main before shooting himself. Main and Singh reportedly died on the spot. The Independent Commission of Investigations is investigating.